left hand controller. So these are all your general settings. So firstly we have the sketchbook. So if you press this, you can see we are able to access all the files which we currently have in our device. Okay, next we have the upload option. So this will basically save and upload your sketch directly to your sketchwave account. Next we have more options. So with this we'll get more some minor settings which you can explore. Next we have the multiplayer menu. So with this we are able to collaborate with maximum 2 more players and work in the same project. Next we have the accounts. So we are able to sign in through Google or your Sketchwave account. And we have the beginner mode. So if you press this, you can see we'll have limited panels and features. So mostly we'll be working on advanced mode to have access to more features and all these panels. Next we have the clear sketch. So whatever sketch we currently have in our canvas, and if we press the clear sketch button, this will basically delete everything. So you can see here it's totally empty now. And lastly we have the save sketch. So if you press this, you can see there is a camera in my right hand controller, and it says press trigger to capture save icon. So we have this index trigger. Just take a snapshot. Now it's added to our sketchbook. So you can see here sketchbook. So this is our save file.